Hello everyone, welcome back. Let me show you what controls are available on Haval H6 steering. Now as you can see here, both sides we got few buttons here. On the left hand side there are few and the right hand side there are few. Let's talk about the right hand side first. Now as you can see, there's home button sign here, there's a back sign here, OK, left and right, up and down, and there's a strict mark here. What these buttons do, let's go one by one. Now if you see screen here, now this is the theme you can choose from your main screen from here, but let's focus on these buttons first. Now this is the default screen. Press home here and now you can see this range is selected. Now press home again and now you can see there are different options on top of the screen. Here you can see this one. So now this is currently on the car setting. Now you can use this left and right to scroll right side and it will show you music. And third one is navigation. This requires your Android Auto to connect. And fourth one is a warning sign. So if you have any warnings from your system, from your car, it will show here. Now next is your settings. There are few settings available we can control from your steering. We will talk about it later, but first go back to your home screen again. So when I click home again, now you can see again the range is selected, and now I want to see what options here and under this setting, right? So you go to down and you can see TPMS. So this will show you the tire pressure and also the temperature. Go again, click here on the down, and okay, this is now a speed message. So what general speed here, RPM, and again down, driving efficiency. So axle, echo, brake. You can't change this setting from here. So if you press here and there, it doesn't work. So no, you can't change this efficiency setting from here. Now again down, you can see, okay, car is stationary. Trip B and trip A. So trip B shows overall distance. So how much distance you have driven so far. So we can see 8 hours and 3 minutes. And then 282.1 kilometer, the average speed was 35 kilometer per hour. Now again, if you click again downside, it will show you consumption. So average fuel efficiency is 14.9 kilometer per liter, and IFE, instant fuel efficiency, is 0. If you want to see, let's say, how many liter or 100 kilometers, so that setting is also available. I prefer to see in this way. If you press OK, it goes to consumption A. Now it shows you 6.3 kilometer per liter. So this was last trip which you just driven, right? And it will reset every time you stop and again start car. Go back to again down and again goes back to the range. Now what you want to see here on right hand side, you can choose. For example, right now it's a range, right? Now if you want to choose a different one, you want to see TPMS, for example, just press OK. Now this will set here. Now if you go back to home, and you can see home is now TPMS, so it will remain there. If you want to change again, go here again and go up and down and then press OK again, and now you can see it's now selected as a range. If I go back to home screen again, you can see now the range is my home screen. Let's go to the next setting here where you can control few options. So this one setting, now overspeed setting, like this one, I've been using it when I'm on freeway. So you can set your overspeed setting. You can choose the kilometer per hour. So I have set 100 kilometer per hour. So if my car goes beyond 100 kilometer, it gives me a warning sign. Now if I go back to setting again, all right, so next is your driving data. So you can use all these up and down and left and right to use navigation. You can go driving data. What is here now? You can choose what do you want to see on your screen when you choose all the buttons, right? So if everything is selected, you can customize. If you don't want to see driving efficiency, so you can just unselect it all. Now go back here from this screen, go back again, unit. So this is one I was talking about. So mileage and fuel, you can see I have selected kilometer per liter. We can also have a liter per 100 kilometer. Again, it's up to you if you want to customize it. Again, go back and temperature. So you want to see in Celsius or Fahrenheit. And the last one is pressure. So pressure is default was kPa, kilopascal something, and then PSI. So PSI is default unit in Australia. So I have selected PSI. You can also have it bar here. So if you keep it idle, it goes back to your home screen here. Okay, so next setting we have here, if you want to see your maintenance miles, so it will show you, okay, 4,702 kilometers to go for next maintenance. If you go back from here, and the next one is reset driving data. If you want to reset your driving data, it will just reset it. And the last is factory reset. again it will reset everything. So next button we have this star or asterisk button. Can do multiple function depending upon what you have selected. To select what function it should do, you will have to go back to your main infotainment screen. Now under system setting, you can see here there is an option for a steering wheel key. You can go back, and then if you can, system setting is this one, and go here and steering wheel key. Now here you can select what you want to have it, right? So right now it's selected as steering wheel heating. So if you press that, it will start hitting your steering. You can also enable wireless charging on and off, HUD, heads up display, best listening position, and play favorite station. So it depends what you want to use it. I have kept it default, which came as a steering wheel heating. So for example, if I press this right now, you can see it says the steering wheel heating is on. You can also see there is a sign here which says this is heating. Now I can just turn it off, and you can see this is now off, and the sign is also gone. If I choose wireless charging here, and then just go back here and then press, so it says wireless charging is off, and then press again and say wireless charging is on. So yeah, this is also a nice function to have it, but I prefer to keep it steering wheel heating. That's the default one. So that's it from the right hand side. Left hand side, there are these buttons here available, right? So as you can see, this plus and minus, so it's for volume. You can increase and decrease the volume here. You can go mute. This is a voice command button, so this will only work if you have your phone connected. For example, if I press it here, it will give me this message. So yeah, this only works when you have Google connected, or Android Auto, or your Apple phone. Now this one is for call. Again, if your phone is connected, you just press here and it takes you here. So what phone is connected, it says not connected right now. It gives the different option here. Now this one, go on mute. So right now it was on mute. Now I will go back on mute. So, and this one, you can choose your radio or your song. So right now it's running a radio, so I can just change to next. It will change to next station. And if you want to see how it changes, so go here, and then you can go to radio, and if you press next, you can see this is changing. And some classic Howlin' Wolf and Willie Dixon numbers. And let's go back to mute. So this M button here can be used to change off your radio mode. Right now it's working on FM, and I want to change it. Press here M, and then it goes to AM mode. Now press again, and then it will go to BT audio, so Bluetooth audio. That means if your phone is connected, and if you want to take a call, or if you want to run music from your mobile, then you can choose it from here. So this was it. This is very simple navigation, not difficult. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please ask. Thank you.